So if the UK is calling your name, let's make your move seamless. Visit us online at www.sdcinternationalshipping.com or check out our new UK site at movefromusa2uk.com. And don't forget, you can always call us at 877-339-0267. I'm your guide from the International Moving Podcast, and this has been your quick guide to moving to the UK with SDC International Shipping. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the other side of the pond. Let's start with one of the most important parts of your move, packing. Think about it. Your belongings are about to travel thousands of miles by truck, by ship, maybe even by train before arriving at your new home. They'll pass through ports, customs inspections, and long stretches at sea. If they're not packed correctly, they won't survive the journey. At SDC, our packing teams use export-grade materials, double-walled boxes, moisture-resistant wraps, custom-built crates, and reinforced cushioning. We don't just pack, we engineer protection. For example, a regular box with kitchen glassware might make it fine on a local move, but on an overseas journey, vibration, humidity, and shifting containers can easily cause breakage. Our crews use triple layering and specialized dividers that prevent this from happening. We've even packed grand pianos, priceless artwork, vintage motorcycles, and family heirlooms, all arriving safe and sound. Now let's talk about insurance, because even with world-class packing, international transport involves risks, storms at sea, container handling, and customs inspections. We offer two types of protection: total loss insurance. This covers your shipment in the rare event of a complete loss, like if the container were destroyed. All-risk cargo insurance. This is the gold standard. It protects individual items against damage, loss, or theft. Here's the key. All-risk coverage is only available when we do the packing. That's because insurers need proof that everything was handled to export standards. Imagine the peace of mind of knowing that if your sofa, artwork, or electronics are damaged, you'll be compensated. For many clients, this is the single biggest stress reliever in the whole process. Now, what about paperwork? The UK has specific customs rules, and the most important is the Transfer of Residence Relief Form, also called TOR-01. This form allows you to bring your household goods into the UK duty-free, as long as you're relocating your primary residence. To qualify, you'll need your completed TOR-01 application, a detailed inventory of goods, proof you lived outside the UK for at least 12 months, your passport and UK visa or residence permit. At SDC, we guide you through every document, making sure nothing is missed. We even provide templates for your inventory list and help you organize receipts if needed. Let me share an example. Recently, we helped a family moving from Boston to Surrey. They had antique furniture, a car they wanted to bring, and a full household shipment. We provided professional packing and custom crating, insured their goods with all-risk coverage, and handled all customs paperwork. Their container shipped directly, cleared smoothly in Southampton, and was delivered to their new home in just under 10 weeks. The family told us the best part was not having to worry about a thing. They could focus on settling in while we handled the logistics. And here's something exciting. We've just launched a dedicated website for clients moving to the UK. You can visit it at movefromusa2uk.com. That's www.movefromusa2uk.com. There you'll find step-by-step guides, customs info, and tips for starting your new life in Britain. So, why SDC? Because we offer door-to-door service across all 50 US states, expert packing and insured shipments, dedicated move coordinators, climate-controlled storage at origin or destination, a proven track record with thousands of successful UK relocations. With SDC, you're not just hiring movers. You're choosing a guide, a partner, and a safety net for your journey. So if the UK is calling your name, let's make your move seamless. Visit us online at www.sdcinternationalshipping.com or check out our new UK-focused site at movefromusa2uk.com. And don't forget, you can always call us at 877-339-0267. I'm your guide from the International Moving Podcast, and this has been your complete guide to moving to the UK with SDC International Shipping. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the other side of the pond.